Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And how are you? I'm good. What is your name? My name is Babar. What is yours? Oh, my name is Karan. Where are you from? I am from India. And where are you from? Actually, I'm from Pakistan. Where do you live in Pakistan? In Pakistan, I live in Karachi. I like the people of Karachi very much. They are very hospitable people. Yes, of course. Have you ever been to Karachi? Yes, I have been to Karachi in 2020. Good. Actually, I was invited by a friend for his wedding. So, how many days you spent there? I almost spent a week there. Okay. What are you doing here in Dubai? I have come here on vacations. I'm just enjoying my free time. By the way, what do you do for a living? दोस्तों इसका उर्दू में ये मतलब है कि तुम क्या काम करते हो. आई एम एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन इंडिया. यस. इन विच यूनिवर्सिटी? यूनिवर्सिटी एक्स वाई जी. What is your qualification? I recently completed my PhD. Nice. In which subject? In English literature. I also love English literature. What do you like in literature? I mean, prose, poetry, or something else? I like prose reading. What kind of prose? I mean, fiction or non fiction? Well, I like both. But most of the books which I have read is non fiction. So, you like non fiction the most? Yes, can say this. Mostly, it's based on reality. Oh, I totally forgot to ask you. What do you do? I mean, what do you study? Yes, I'm doing my master's. In which subject? And mathematics. Oh, it's a tough subject. Yes, it is. But for me, it is very easy. I was very bad at math in school. Yes, I have heard this from a lot of people. I remember an urgent work of mine. I need to go now, if you have no problem. No, no, as you wish. So I take leave of you now. It was a good meeting with you. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बस ये तक थी. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज की इस वीडियो से और आज की स्टाइल से आपने ज़रूर कुछ न कुछ सीखा होगा. अगर आज की इस वीडियो से आपने कुछ सीखा है और हमारी इस चैनल से आपको कुछ न कुछ सीखने को मिलता है तो हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.